Welcome to HoloFlight, Identity Mind's flight visualization for HoloLens. When the user is gazing at an airplane, detailed flight information is shown, like the call sign, the origin and the destination airport, current speed, the plane type, and so on. When the user is double tapping on an airplane, ATC conversations is played back as spatial audio.
Well, let me talk to the other local. Maybe we could get you moving. I don't want to stop you right there, but hold short for right now.
You can see the Hawaiian Islands here and its surrounding flight space, with all the flights currently flying in that region. Gazing at an airport shows the wind speed and wind direction at that airport, and further detailed weather information can be shown for the airport, like the temperature and the temperature dew point. We also support variable wind direction, which is indicated by a quickly turning wind direction arrow. Our experience leverages HoloLens spatial mapping and spatial awareness of the environment, so the user is able to place all the different holograms independently in the room and lay out its workspace. We use HoloLens tap and hold or scroll gesture to allow the user to zoom into the terrain to a different level of detail. For example, now the user is just seeing the island where Honolulu is located and can explore the area into more detail. Our experience also supports voice commands for zoom in and zoom out.
Zoom in. Zoom in.
At the highest level of detail, the user is basically at the tower control and can explore the flight space from this position.
Zoom out.
A list of all the flights can also be opened, and the user can select a flight directly from there, and it's highlighted in the 3D space, so the user can explore where it's actually located in 3D space, where it's flying to, see the flight trail, and so on.
Playback fast.
Our solution supports real-time but also pre-recorded data,
Playback max.
which allows us to play it back at different speed.
Sticky trails.
The sticky trails is a nice feature to visualize usually invisible information, so the user can see where the planes are actually flying between the airports and analyze those flight trails.
Clear trails. Playback normal.
The flight terrain can also be placed independently in the room where it fits well.
Scale up.
It can also be scaled up to fit the room even better.
Scale up. Playback insane.
The terrain is generated from real-world topographic data provided by the Bing Maps API. The actual flight data comes from a commercial flight data service provider, and we can visualize it in real time. But we also support our own custom Azure backend where we can cache the data to play it back at different speed. This gives us the unique opportunity to show usually invisible flight information like the flight trails, and we can also adapt the dynamic lighting of the scene to the time of the day.